Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome to my channel. I am super excited for today's video. Today I'm going to be making a Japanese moss ball, which is also called a Kokedama. It's essentially just a plant wrapped in soil and then moss and twine if you'd like. These look really cool to hang around your house. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So here are the materials that I will be using today. I have some burlap ribbon, mesh also works really well, and then I have some invisible thread, and you could also use fishing line. I picked up both of these artificial moss from Dollar Tree, and then I picked this up from Dollar Tree as well, just some twine. Comes with 3, which is really awesome. And then let's go over here. I have my plant. I'm going to be using this cool guy, this cactus, and then just some water and some soil. So here we go. you guys, I am finished. I really like how it turned out. Here's what it ended up looking like. I will say that probably the hardest part about this was shaping it, getting it into the shape that I wanted, both with the soil and with the moss. I did end up using a lot of the invisible thread just to hold everything together, but it ended up turning out really good. But I can't wait to hang this around my house, and it's gonna look super good. Let's go ahead and hang it. Watering a kokedama is a little bit different than you would water most plants. Kokedamas need watered about once a week, and to water them you submerge the moss part or the base part of the kokedama into water, not the plant itself but just the bottom part, into a bowl of water for about 2 minutes, and then you would hang the plant outside until it's dry, and then you can bring it back inside. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the process of me making a kokedama. I would love to see pictures of the kokedamas that you guys create, so please send those pictures my way. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at GardenerGal and subscribe to see more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.